Hi there, my name is Sarah and I'm the Technology Librarian at the Bees Ferry West Ashley Library Branch. I'm sure most of you are pretty familiar with YouTube by now, but I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to make the most of it. So let's go ahead and get started. This is what the home screen looks like when you're not logged in, and that's actually my first tip for you, is to create an account because you can't utilize a lot of the features without a YouTube account. Some of those features we're going to touch on in a few steps, but it's things like creating playlists, liking videos, and leaving comments. You can't do any of that without an account. So if you want to create an account, you'll just go up here to the top where it says sign in and select that. And YouTube is actually owned by Google, so if you already have a Google account, that's great. You can just use that. But if not, just go ahead and follow the steps to create an account for yourself, and you'll have an account in no time. All right, so the next step and trick and tip that I want to let you know about is understanding how channels work. So here we have CCPL's YouTube channel, and channels are how the content on YouTube is broken up. Creators make the content that lives on their own channel, for instance, CCPL's YouTube page. And YouTube channels are broken up into different tabs, and that's these right here at the top. This is the home tab, and then we have all of the videos in one tab. A channel can create their own playlist to organize their videos a little better, especially if they have a lot of content. It's great to be able to just find a playlist that you're looking for. The About tab is also going to have information about that channel, and will give you how many views they have and just a little bit of a bio that that content creator included. You can also subscribe to a channel right when you're on their channel or when you're wanting to view their channels, and that's always going to be that red subscribe button. All right, so after you find channels that you like I mentioned, this subscription button. This way, their content will show up in your subscriptions tab so you can keep up with your favorite artists and creators and never miss out on a video. So if I go ahead and subscribe, it will tell me that I have subscribed here, and then this notifications bell that pops up is going to let you know you can get a direct notification whenever they post a video to their channel. Like I said, never miss out on a video. And you'll be notified again when they post a new video, and that's a great way to keep up with creators and channels that post a lot of really great videos that you don't want to get lost in the rest of your information. My next tip is to create playlists and save your favorite videos. That way they're a little bit easier to find. So here I am on just one of the tech team videos planning a trip with Google Maps. And playlists can be really helpful for information like this. Think of it kind of like a mixtape for your videos. If you want to save a video, right under the title, we have this great save button. And you can either save it to, they automatically have a watch later playlist, but you can create your own playlist and name it and set those privacy settings right there. Saving for later is also a great way if you're just browsing and you want to come back and watch it later, but you don't have the time right then and there to do that. Finally, I want you to know how to change some of your settings. So, YouTube has a lot of great settings, and if you're back on the home page here, just go all the way down on this sidebar to settings, and you can really customize and understand your privacy settings as well. So maybe you don't want people to see the playlist you're creating, and this is a great way to really customize YouTube for yourself, and especially with your account information. And if you're posting videos yourself, you can also get into some of the settings here as well. So, thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to CCPL's YouTube page at youtube.com/ccplmedia to stay connected with what's happening at the library too.